Well, the name is descriptive of what a day trader is. They're people who trade not necessarily a day at a time, but they make a number of trades over a short period of time. For example, they might make 30 trades a month or 20 trades a day or whatever, but typically they're trades for less than a year. So they're called, if you have gains or losses on the trades that you make, they are short-term gains or short-term losses. I frankly would recommend that you not be a day trader. That's not the kind of investing that I do, but a lot of people do that, particularly right now. There's millions of people, young people primarily, who are in the marketplace right now day trading. Well, it would be very helpful if a day trader knew something about trading. A lot of times they don't. There's a learning curve associated with day trading or any kind of investment, but day trading can be a risky business. I would say beyond knowing how to trade or to invest, knowing the particulars of how to do that, you need to also be well versed in the tax law involving short-term, long-term capital gains. A capital gain is simply what you bought a stock for, what you sold it for, and the difference in those two numbers. Assuming it's a gain, it can also be a loss.
So does that is that a short-term gain or loss in a different tax bracket than a long-term gain or loss?
Well, absolutely. A short-term gain is taxed at your personal tax rate.
Okay.
Long-term gain is taxed at 0 or 10% or 15%, or in the case of a big gain, as high as 23.8%.
Wow.
And what they need to keep an eye on is each sale is a taxable event. As a day trader, you may have 10 or 20 or 100 or more of these things over the course of a year. So you don't report the individual trades that you make in a given year. What you do is report the net of the trades in a given year. So let's say you had trades amounting to $1,000 of loss against trades amounting to $2,000 worth of gains in a given year, then you would have a net taxable gain, short-term gain in that year of $1,000.
Okay.